Hey grain market enthusiasts, Nina here from Ajayasthomani Guru. Get ready for a data-packed dive into the latest grain export numbers. Today's focus? A surprising surge from Ukraine and a notable dip from Brazil. These figures have the potential to shake things up in the global market, so let's break it down. Ukraine is defying expectations, folks. They've just released impressive figures showing nearly 500,000 tons of grain exported in June alone. That's 483,000 tons to be exact. This pushes their total exports for the 2023-24 marketing year to a whopping 47.415 million tons. Now, if we rewind to this time last year, they'd only exported 45.64 million tons total, with a mere 237,000 tons in June. This is a remarkable turnaround, showcasing Ukraine's resilience and determination to maintain its vital role in the global grain supply chain. Switching gears to Brazil, we are seeing a different story unfold. The National Association of Cereal Exporters, ANEC, is projecting a significant decline in their June 2024 exports compared to the record-smashing volumes of June 2023. Let's get specific. Soybeans, expected to drop from 13.84 million tons in June 2023 to 12.08 million tons this June. Soy meal, projected to decrease from 2.20 million tons to 1.99 million tons. Corn, even with exports picking up steam in the second half of the year, they're still anticipated to fall short of last year's impressive figures. Why you should care? Global supply chain ripple effect. These shifts in export volumes from major players like Ukraine and Brazil can send ripples throughout the entire global supply chain, impacting prices, availability, and even the types of grains available in different markets. Food security concerns. Grains are the cornerstone of food security, particularly in regions heavily reliant on imports. Fluctuations in export figures can directly affect food prices, accessibility, and ultimately, the well-being of populations around the world. Investment implications. For those of you engaged in commodities trading or investing, these trends are crucial. Understanding the dynamics behind these numbers can help you make informed decisions and potentially capitalize on market movements. Ukraine's grain export surge is a positive economic indicator for the country and a testament to its agricultural strength. Brazil's projected export decline could put upward pressure on global grain prices. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for ongoing analysis of these developments and how they might influence your investment strategies. If you found this deep dive informative, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Share this video with your fellow investors and anyone interested in the ever-evolving world of grain markets. Thanks for joining me on this grain market journey. Until next time, happy investing and may your portfolio be fruitful.